Hey guys, welcome back. I had to turn this machine off immediately because it's revving so high that it will pop a rod. Now I haven't fixed it yet. I want to show you what to look for when this happens to you with your snowblower with a Tecumseh engine. So you just saw me start it up, and when I turned the choke off, it revved out of control. I only had the throttle about 1/2 to 3/4. It should not rev that high. And even when I brought the throttle down, it seemed like it wanted to pop a rod because it was revving so high. Now, when this problem happens, it usually means that the throttle linkages are either jammed up or installed incorrectly. This machine here has been sitting for quite a while, so I suspect that something is jammed up in there, causing the over revving. So what you can also do before removing the cover here is to spray some WD-40 right inside on the throttle lever, right on the carburetor. Move the throttle lever back and forth. If you see the throttle lever move, then you've probably fixed the issue. If not, then you will need to take off this cover. Now, nothing is moving inside since I've sprayed the WD-40, so I will proceed to remove the cover here and show you what's going on. So to start with, I will just pop the choke knob off like that, and I'll remove this little bolt here. Okay, 2 Phillips screws over here. And 1 bolt left here at the front. And under the carburetor here, you will need to loosen that Phillips screw right here. That holds the key wire. And I'll just get this cover right off. So what's happening here when I throttle up, nothing is moving. This part right here should be going back and forth, especially when the lever's down like that. This should be back. So what's happening is it's stuck in wide open. Linkages go on the front of the engine here. One is on the carburetor butterfly mechanism here, right there. Let's put the throttle down and bring this back. And it's pretty tight, guys. Look at that. It's like super tight, and I think it's the butterfly mechanism in the carb that is basically really tight. So what I'll do here is spray it right here where it goes in the carb. Here's the choke. This is the throttle. So I think it got a paste in here, built up paste from old gas maybe, and that's why it's hard to move. But I think it'll be fine now. Now this part should be moving. It's a bit stiff, so I will spray it right there. Sometimes even if you spray them with the cover on, they need to be moved physically by hand. See, now it's really easy. So if I go up, it goes forward. If I go down, it does retract. So I think this is the fix for this problem. Now what can happen in the winter is that can freeze up from condensation and moisture. Right now it's October here. We don't have snow. It's not below 0. This is just from sitting with old gas. It got crudded up and jammed up. But again, be careful in the winter. You might blow your driveway, put the machine away, and the next time you go to use it, it's revving out of control. If it revs out of control, guys, turn it off immediately because you will blow that engine. And if it's winter time and you think it's frozen and you don't have a warm garage, just get a hair dryer and heat up the whole compartment where the carburetor is until the engine does not rev when you go to start it up. So what I'll do now is start it up, and hopefully this is all it was. So we'll put some choke on, throttle about halfway. So I got off easy on this one. It was just seized up from sitting, guys. But again, now you will know what to do if this happens to you, whether it's in the summer or the winter time. This mostly happens in the winter time, guys, so keep an eye on that. Try not to leave your machine outside during the winter, and try to make sure that it's not full of snow in there when you put the machine away. Thanks again for watching, and you guys have a great day.